Good afternoon. I'm Joe Ikelheimer and I'm with the National Center for Housing Management. I'd like to take a couple of minutes to discuss with you our Tax Credit Specialist course, or TCS. It's a 3-day certification course, much like all of our other certification courses here at NICHM, starting on the first day with an introduction to the program, including background and history, and then finally spending the remainder of the course discussing compliance. After our lunch break on the first day, we come back in and we dive headlong into Chapter 5 of the HUD Handbook 4350.3, where the Section 42 regulations direct us that we're to borrow from the Section 8 guidance in the HUD Handbook in terms of qualifying our families based on their income and their assets. Day 2 shifts gears a little bit. We get into the 5th section of the program where we spend the better part of the day talking about eligibility. And then finally we finish up at the end of the second day discussing ongoing eligibility. What happens after initial certification? We discuss in detail annual recertification requirements. We talk about a lot of rules in that particular section, specifically the 140% rule as it applies to income at recertification, the next available unit rule, the unit vacancy rule, and so on and so forth, concluding for the day with a short fair housing review. Now, all along through the class, there are quizzes, there are exercises, there's a lot of discussion that goes along in the classroom to help reinforce what has been presented during the course. There's also a little bit of homework on the night of the second day. And the third day, students spend most of their time taking the comprehensive 100-question tax credit certification exam. So I'd like to encourage all of those involved in the tax credit industry, whether that be at the site level, at the regional management level, or anyone who's involved in putting together these often complicated deals, to consider taking TCS, furthering your education, strengthening your professional knowledge base, and making your properties more successful. Thank you.